Hi all, welcome to another episode of kamaltechvlog. Today we are going to unbox this piece of gadget. It's called fire-boltt and it's a smartwatch. So let's go ahead, do that, and I'll give you a total review, unboxing experience as well as how to set it up with your phone. So let's start with that. Okay guys, this is the smartwatch which we are going to unbox today. This fire-boltt dagger luxe. It's a Bluetooth calling smartwatch which has a metal strap in it. So if you see, this has many features like heart tracking, SpO2, sleep monitoring, camera control, and many other better updates. And this one came in an Amazon offer this time. It's called Dagger Luxe. So let's go ahead and unbox this now. So I'm doing an outdoor shooting today, so it might be different. So if you see, this is the main watch over here. If you can see the fire-boltt written over here, there's nothing over here. It's kind of empty. So let's take off this cover and keep it here, and we'll see what is there inside. Inside you see there's a subscription for Ghana. I have no clue what this is. Maybe this is the watch winding tool which they are given along with it. Actually, this is for changing the size. You can go ahead and use this for that. And yeah, it's for changing the size only. Today we're doing an outdoor shooting, so the camera angles are kind of weird. Please bear with me. And this is the magnetic attachment for charging, and below is the warranty and other details what to go ahead and do. And yep, they are given a lot of stuff over here. So the things we require for now is this, and we will keep this back here, and we'll try to take the watch out. So if you see, this is the watch over here with a metal strap. And behind is the metal tracking over here, made in India by fire-boltt. It's kind of heavy. It's good. So what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and set this up. As I can show you now how to set this up, there is a QR code. It's a QR code mentioned over here. You have to scan that to download the app. It's as simple as that. And then you can go ahead and set this up by binding to the app. It's as simple as that. So let me see how to start this and whether this has the charge left. Yep, it's lighting up. Okay, so we have taken out the cover also. So let's check this out. So these are the different modes mentioned in it. We do have to sync this with our watch. So let's check where that option is. This is the main screen. Okay, here if you go, you'll be able to check the battery, and you will also be able to scan the QR code and sync it with your normal mobile with the QR code. Speed with this QR code. So it's as simple as that. And there's a pretty hefty watch over here for the price which I got. I got this for $2,999, while the price is actually more for this. So I would not say that this is a bad investment for now. And in the Amazon sale, you can go ahead and buy this. Until next time, this is Kamal and you're watching Kamal Tech Vlog, and you have a wonderful day ahead.